just before the video begins. Would love to give you an ongoing supply of wonderful videos on making money with your YouTube channel. All you need to do is take a quick moment to subscribe. Remember to click the bell icon, and we promise you will never miss out again. Do you know you can monetize your YouTube channel, have thousands of subscribers, and not show your face? In this video, we'll look at 7 faceless YouTube niches that generate money. There are lots of money to be made in niche number 7. So, watch till the end. Welcome to Epic Tube Tactics, your go-to channel for your YouTube tips, growth, and monetization. There are many ways to earn money on YouTube without appearing on camera. Many people earn their income from royalty-free videos created by others instead of producing their own. We will discuss 7 ideas for a faceless YouTube channel in this video. It is often not necessary to have any special tools to get started with your YouTube channel. Typically, you only need your phone, a screen recorder, and a video editing program. Additionally, making YouTube videos without showing your face has advantages. It doesn't require you to buy expensive cameras or lighting equipment. There is no need to install a backdrop in your room when you are making a video. Simply get up and begin filming without worrying about how you look. Number 1 is videos on life hacks. Life hack videos have become extremely popular on YouTube in recent years. The 5-Minute Crafts channel has over 75 million subscribers and 300 million monthly views. Using items around the house, they film daily household tasks against a colorful backdrop. The key is to engage your audience, and 5-Minute Craft proves you can make money with life hack videos. You need to watch a few life hack videos as inspiration before starting your own channel. Number 2 is using whiteboard animation videos. You can start a YouTube channel without showing your face by using whiteboard videos. A whiteboard video is a fantastic way to engage your audience. There are many whiteboard creation software available. Number 3 is gaming channels. Are you a fan of online games like Fortnite and Minecraft? Wouldn't it be nice to earn money doing something you enjoy? The gaming niche receives a high volume of visitors, which is ideal for beginners. Apart from not showing your face, you do not have to talk. PewDiePie's channel has 111 million subscribers, making it one of the most popular gaming channels. This channel publishes a combination of humor, gossip, and gaming videos. Even if you are not very good at video games, have fun showing off your gaming failures. Number 4 is product review channels. Beginners can make money with review videos because they can easily convert viewers into buyers. When readers look for product reviews, they are just one step away from purchasing. As a result, when you review a product, you can receive commissions if the viewer buys the product using your affiliate link. You can earn up to 50% to 70% commission on digital products. You can also earn commissions with physical products on Amazon, but with lower percentages. You can focus on either digital or physical products, or both. To review digital products like online courses or softwares, share your screen as you talk to the highlights and benefits of the product. For physical products, you don't have to own them. You show pictures of products on Amazon and other e-commerce sites. For example, you can share the features of a camera and talk about its benefits. You can compare different cameras so your viewers can have options. As your channel starts to grow, you get brand deals from product companies. You can also do unboxing videos. Who want to see what's inside the box of a product they are thinking about purchasing before buying it? Unbox Therapy channel has 18.1 million subscribers and focuses on removing items from retail packaging. Number 5 is motivational videos. A number of motivational YouTube channels have emerged in recent years. Motivation Madness is a YouTube channel with almost 3 million subscribers and over 5 million monthly views. It compiles video clips from entrepreneurs, athletes, business executives, and celebrities to motivate its viewers. Know that fair use of other people's content is essential to comply with copyright policies. Number 6 is the cooking niche. Cooking guides and tasty new recipes are always in demand. Show your cooking ingredients and focus your camera on the gas or the oven. You can show the process of preparing the food with just your hand. You can even create the videos without your voice and use text on the screen and background music. Your channel can be dedicated to quick recipes for weight loss or easy breakfast recipes. You Suck at Cooking is a faceless channel with almost 3 million subscribers. Number 7 is the luxury niche. This niche caters to the thirst for knowledge about the lifestyle of the super rich. Don't worry, you don't need a Rolex or Porsche to start. There are free resources online. Alox, a luxury channel, has almost 4 million subscribers. You review luxury products and earn money when your viewers buy the products through your affiliate links. You can even get brand deals from luxury companies, making it one of the easiest niches to make money with. Click the link in the description below to watch a free webinar on all you need to know to start a faceless YouTube channel. Subscribe and turn on notifications to get more videos on making money with YouTube. See you in the next video.